That's a cute one. You need to get in. Oh, we just broke it. Pick it up and run. You want me to pick it up?
Dump it over. Dump it over.
Position yourself, bitch. Okay. I can't give you a countdown. Fix that corner. Ready? Here comes people. What if somebody throws a jacket at you? No, give me your jacket. I'm gonna throw a jacket in there, and you can jump out at me. Does that work? Does that work for you? Yeah. And then I need to come from that one so they can see what the fuck it is. Oh. Okay, you ready? No, don't count. As soon as the jacket hits you. Wait. Wait. Okay. No, I can't. They're all the way on the other side. Okay, anyways, when I throw the jacket on you, that's when you jump up. Okay. We're gonna get in so much trouble. I'm not gonna miss you. Doom. Shut up, I'm coming. Dang it, you already ruined it. I'm sorry, pardon me. Okay, I'm headed this way, so shush.
Before, this isn't a picture. It's a video.
Oh, I was
I know. Now do what you just did again. A second ago. No.
Oh. Which thing?
We're gonna do YouTube in the video.
No.